From the start to the end, we were destined to fail, but I wouldn't have changed a thing. I'm in love with the details in spite of the outcome. Now only the facts remain. I passed your old place and I saw it erased, all the marks of the lives that once burst through its doors, slept on its floors and kicked holes in the walls, and slipped through the cracks in the floorboards. Your heart is a map you can trace with your fingers, from the coast to the highest peak. Your home is a word you let slip from your lips, and it lives every day in the lines of an old pop song. Promises unkept and the bonds of friendship faded, doubt where there was hope. And we're older now, but still young enough to know that the past is a place you can go. I passed your old place and I saw it erased, all the marks of the lives that once burst through its doors, slept on its floors and kicked holes in the walls, and slipped through the cracks in the floorboards. Your heart is a map you can trace with your fingers, from the coast to the highest peak. Your home is a word you let slip from your lips, and it lives